So, long story short,
we sold Penelope.
We're so happy that we've had so many people that want Penelope, and we want to give her to everybody.
Letting go was hard.
I'm fine.
Penelope, have fun in college.
With our first renovation in the can, it was time to head to Texas to start our first client renovation.
But we weren't going to go through New Orleans and not get some food.
Cheers.
Beignets on the Mississippi.
San Antonio, Texas, where we'll be renovating this 1993 Damon Ultrasport for our clients Elizabeth and Amanda.
And we're painting it baby blue, so we're naming it Blue RV Carter.
We are fully customizing this memory-making machine for our clients and their adorable children.
Guys, look, there's a kitchen.
So, this is our life now. We're going full-time renovating campers across the country.
BB and the RV Season 2.
Don't call it a comeback.
This time it's personal.
See y'all soon.